Good morning. I look a mess, but it's okay. We're gonna get that together. Hi, Willow. But when I woke up, I saw that it was 10. It is 10:28. I'm like, y'all got work. I got work. My mama got work. I slept in. It is Wednesday. It's Wednesday, January 22nd. Yeah, and then when I went to record a few minutes ago, I was like, my camera. It was dead. So as I'm speaking to y'all, it is plugged up. And I'm gonna go downstairs and make me a little snack because my stomach been growling for the longest and I'm snacking on peppermints. But I'm gonna go downstairs, make some coffee and make me some potato fries. But good morning. If you didn't know, I am Sierra. If you do, how you doing, girl? I'm attempting to take you guys to work with me. Okay? Like a whole day. Literally, this is like a whole day of footage. It is from 10 and I get off at 8. Right now I look a mess. But I am going to do a nighttime routine. So stick around for that video. Yeah. And I'm doing this raw. I just woke up, which means I didn't brush my teeth, I didn't wash my face, I didn't do nothing. You see my edges, y'all? Oof, oof, yeah, but it's okay. Oh, and the other day I was tempting to do my first episode for my podcast, but it was too many people looking at me and I had work that day. I was like, girl, some other day. But nah, I'm not brushing my teeth or washing my face right now until I get my coffee and food. So, you know, this is like a realistic morning routine for me, honestly. And then y'all coming to work with me, and then we're gonna have a nighttime routine. They banned it TikTok, okay? Cool. And y'all took CapCut? The fuck? That's what I used to had it. And on my computer, I cannot find Willow nowhere. So please, what is another editing app I can use besides KindMaster or any other Apple iMovie shit? I don't want to use all. No. And they said CapCut is working. My sister said CapCut was working for her. And when I go to CapCut, let me show you. When I go to CapCut, well, let me stop complaining and hurry up and do this video so I can edit it. Best believe you're gonna see one of these creatures. Don't mind, they kitty litter. Don't mind his booty or her booty. Y'all, we don't know the gender of my cats, okay? And my camera is on 1 bar, though I just had it on the charger. Oh, please. They gonna think I'm dirty. You on top of my sink. A realistic morning, I promise you. Then you hear dogs out there barking. This is the shit I really do go through. And this is the shit I do not like to record. When it's all this loudness and cats acting fucking weird. And, you know, I'm telling you. Okay. That's lightning. I will see you guys downstairs when I'm making coffee and when I'm making my breakfast. I will see you guys downstairs. CapCut is working. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna record and edit as many videos as I can and post it for you guys. Stay tuned. Hi. Oof. I look like y'all neighborhood crackhead. Y'all look at the flowers. They're dying. They're dying, but they're still cute. Oh shit, the water out of it. Hold on. Y'all, please. I'm just a girl. Y'all hear that? How do y'all take care of flowers? Do y'all think I ain't no sugar? We never have sugar. How am I having pumpkin? In the camera. We look like the neighborhood crackheads. Okay, well, while my fries cook, I still don't know about the coffee yet because my mother's upstairs laying down. I feel like I'm zoomed in. Ooh. Anywho, like I said, my mother's upstairs laying down, so I don't know about the coffee yet, but when she wake up, I'm gonna ask her about it because I need some coffee. What time is it? It's 11:04. I need some coffee. I know when I go to work, be drinking me a Red Bull. I drink one before I start and one during, or I might get a cranberry. Either way, I'm definitely getting a Red Bull today. And I always get the watermelon, but you're gonna see. You're gonna see when I get to work. Hopefully, I'm not scared to pull out this damn camera in front of my coworkers and all the other people. Yeah. Well, I will see you guys when my food is done. I might show you on before and after, but I don't know. I don't know. I still look a mess, but I'm finna go eat. I think I'm gonna start getting ready around 12. But I'm finna eat my food and watch me some YouTube. Yeah. It's 1:18. Good afternoon. I have been woke maybe for the whole morning. Barely got sleep, bro. I'm just now waking up. Sleeping in. Be feeling so good. So you know you gotta get up and do some work. I keep licking my lips. I need to put something on it. This light is crazy. And don't mind my lashes. Lord. My edges. Don't mind my edges. I don't know where I got lashes from. It is 1:18 in the afternoon. I need to get up, put some clothes on real quick before I even do anything. Slap a hat on and go get my babies some cat food. And then I'll come back home and we'll chit chat. I'll see you guys when I come back home. That is mine. This is yours. I am back home. As y'all saw, I went to Dunkin'. I got me some donuts. My baby. This is Pearl. This is Pearl. We have 7 animals in this house now. Again, don't mind my edges. I told y'all, as soon as I got up, my first priority was to get my baby some food, and that's what I did. I'd rather look like a bum than having my baby starve. And now I'm finna go eat my donuts, watch some YouTube, and just chill for real. Yeah, so I'm in pain, okay? I am on my cycle. And it is not pretty. It's the first day, and I think for me, every first day is terrible. Now sometimes I catch it on time and I pop a painkiller out, I leave. And I did that. Knocked me out. I went straight to sleep. I woke up, ate me some noodles, drank a lot of water, popped another, I leave. I think what I'm doing is, for this particular vlog, is definitely been everywhere. And I don't know where I was headed with my vlog. Let me let you out. I got my dog in here. I don't know where I was really headed for this vlog, because in the first half, I was supposed to do like a come to work with me, and it just didn't go the way I planned. But I did get ready, you know, I was eating all that extra junk as y'all saw. Oh, I hate how I look. I really need to do something with my edges. And yeah, you know, these are some clips that wouldn't fit into a vlog. And I'm just, cause this is weeks of videos and clips. And I just decided today I'm gonna just go ahead and end it out with a self-care. We need something to talk about. And I've been going through something for my entire life. Yeah, so I like my edges to stick. I don't like them flyway edges, not for real. And I don't got edge brush no more because I broke it. But this, this do just fine. I feel like I'm loud because the AirPods, I can barely hear myself. Today is Wednesday, January 29th. It is 7:08 of 2020. This is my last video of January. I do what I wanted to do. I only posted one video for January, which is a shocker. That was my New Year's video, if I'm not mistaken. After that New Year's video, I was pretty much like kind of over it. It's like the real work is when you have to edit. Picking up a camera, I mean, it goes with you. The camera follows you, so it's like that's not too much of a problem. I also have a big thing with it's weird that my animals know how to open doors, but it's not at the same time. It's normal. But yeah, my stomach hurts, and I should be sitting down, but it's like I gotta end out this. I think this is like the last day, other than tomorrow, of January, and I'm not trying to keep it going into February. I feel like that is just very disrespectful for February content. I think I'm gonna try and edit this tonight and some tomorrow, so I can get it up and get it up before February. Alright, y'all, I'm back with a better angle. You are on the big tripod. I think I left off where I was saying I wanted to put some on my lips because they were dry. And I kept saying a January collective vlog. It is January diaries, then a collective vlog. You feel me? But it's all the same thing. Oh well, oh well. And I think I'm gonna start doing that for every end of the month. So if I got like any scrappy clips, and if they are neat, I will make a that month diaries, a collective vlog. So I can get them clips up on my camera. You know, storage. I'm all about storage. My face been breaking out, you can see. And then one right here. And I'm a big picker. And that's another reason why we are doing a self-care for tonight. But yeah, I am gonna brush my teeth and get into it. And yes, we do have some stuff to talk about. More so what I've been going through this month already. Starting this month off terrible. Like for example, I lost my kitten. Y'all might see her in this vlog. That was days ago. As of right now, I just lost my kitten. She was a premium. I think that's what they call it when you are a twin for animals. I went outside in that damn snow and I dug a little grave for her and I buried her outside in my backyard by my garage. But I'm gonna brush my teeth. I feel like I've been talking for some minutes. I'm gonna brush my teeth and we're just gonna get into this little night routine. It is not a realistic night routine, but I mean I have it here and I want to do it to end off this collective vlog. It's not gonna be a long vlog because I really didn't do much, but I think it's like I think I recorded for 4 days, thinking I was gonna have a great vlog for each recording. I mean, I didn't, and it didn't go the way I wanted to. reached out to y'all, it was 7:00 something. It is now 7:53. So, and my mom got early off of work, so I just want to make sure I get everything done before everybody's trying to barge into the bathroom. And yeah. Why I'm doing this vlog? Because I went through, it's only like the entire time. We got a different angle. Anywho, now that I brushed my teeth and washed my face, I can finally put something on my lips. This is by Ruby Kisses. This is a lip mask. And yeah, because my lips totally. They were dry and I was tired of licking them. I think I do need to tell y'all something. And that's another reason why I don't always record peroxide. Swap some peroxide. You know, I have depression. I have anxiety. And I have like a heartbreak disorder. Heartbreak. It's not like, well, it is serious. It's where you constantly go through trauma, hurt, pain, and your heart can't take as much. You're such a good person, and knowing that your heart is crumbling, you still go out and help the other person. And in my case, yeah, that is me. I do have a weak heart, a weak and a broken one in my eyes. Alright, make sure my face is clean before I put everything else on. I gotta get the ears. I'm using these cotton rounds. I'm just using this other one. Kinda pat my face dry a little bit because I just used my towel. This is clarifier. I've been using this for a minute, but then again I haven't. We are going to do, I don't know what I'm gonna do first. I do have the rice mask sheet, clear skin, or do I want to do this first? I think, oh my goodness guys, I don't know. This shit is so wet, and I think that's exactly why I am doing this one first. I think I feel way better. I feel way better. But my video, which was, it was the hickey print video. I cannot stand that video. But it just hit 1K views and I am so stoked. I am happy. My channel is doing okay. I'm not gonna say my channel is all that right now, but it is doing okay. I think this is the wrong way. Here we go. Oh, I don't want to look crazy. Ooh, I don't know why I took my lips like that. Oh, this is terrible. 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, I'll just save that picture. I'm gonna start the timer. I don't think I want to do 20 to 30 minutes. I think it's best if I do 15 minutes because the way I'm feeling, it's like I need to hurry this thing up. I just know I do want to feel like a girl. I do want to do this, so I'm doing it for me. Yes, I'm doing it for me. I'm gonna do 15 minutes. 15 minutes on the clock. I think I want to start a vision board too for this year, and I think I'm gonna have to make that just a separate video by itself. I love talking to y'all because I feel like we connect more when I open up about who I am as a person. And yeah, I feel like, because this young lady, she commented under my New Year's post about how she also can relate to my drinking and smoking problems, and how she was saying it's hard and that she want to be like me to actually stop drinking and smoking. And you know, I gave her a nice paragraph. If I can put it up here, I will, you know, so y'all can read it for yourselves. And you know, I was praying. She was like, pray for me, and I did. I prayed for her, and she, you know, she said thank you. I feel like that was a really heart-to-heart moment, and I feel like talking to y'all about my problems and what I want to achieve and move forward and become a better version of me, I feel like sometimes it do help y'all. Yeah, I think my paragraph I sent to her really did help her. It probably melted her heart, and she's probably watching this video right now, and I really hope you know who you are. Let's see if I can find you. Her ad is Summertime. My face is like so goes right under like that. Oh goodness. Under. I feel like that was all the way. Yeah, I'm going for 3 minutes because my stomach, I can kind of feel it already. Yeah, 3 minutes. 3 minutes. 14, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. My skin looks pretty. I just had to show y'all a little up close, a little bit better.